Welcome back, friends. In today's video is a review of the totally awesome all-purpose concentrated cleaner. I purchased this cleaner at my local Dollar General store, and as you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. It's been working good for my everyday cleaning, but today I wanted to use this cleaner on some more heavy-duty cleaning, like my walk-in shower, and see how well it would do on more porous surfaces like tile and grout. So let's see if this little cleaner can live up to its name. Now let's get started. Okay guys, after a little bit of elbow grease, this is the end result. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 7. It did a pretty good job on my walk-in shower, but I would recommend it for everyday light cleaning jobs. Well, thank you so much, friends, for watching. Until next time.